Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. Does this say wow? Or does it say mom? I don't know. Stay tuned and I'm gonna show you more. Are you ready for all of our fun products today? Check out this adorable little cow peep. I absolutely love this little girl. I think she's a girl, but she could be anything, a boy or a girl. Cow, you doing? Holy cow. Happy birthday to Moo. I'm sorry, I was a little moody. Isn't that fun? Now, you know the deal on the little peeps. All of the clothing fits all of the other little peeps. So we have a cute little t-shirt and shorts. Those are gonna fit all of the other little peeps. Yes, there are dyes that match. Don't worry, my friends. I know most of us don't like to fussy cut. I actually call it fuzzy cutting because it never looks that good. Yes, there are dyes that match. We're also releasing, and this is by my request because I needed these one day and I didn't have them and I was horrified that I didn't have them. So I designed them as quickly as possible. They are something simple, something easy, rounded squares. I can't tell you how many times I have needed a square, but I don't want a square. I want something more rounded. Boom, there we go. Now, here we go. Does it say wow or does it say mom? I'm not sure. The choice is up to you because it says both. You can have it say mom or you can have it say wow. Perfect. It's like double duty. It's like 2 for the price of 1. Let me show you more. So here it is. This card was actually designed to say wow, but if you put the fold on the other side, it now says mom, because you know what? All moms are a bunch of wow, right? I mean, moms always wow everybody. Now, let's look at this. Let's just look how fun this is. So cute. Happy birthday to Moo. And I love my burlap background. You know I love it. It's one of my favorite backgrounds ever. Here's another cute little cow all dressed up in pink, or you can make a cute little couple if you wanted to. Love it. Ooh, I love this hexagon background. Look at that. Doesn't that background just go whoa? I know, I love it. I love it with that cute little cow on the front. Oh, here's a flip it and it says, I'm so sorry. I was a little moody. Open it up. Isn't that sweet? Our big circle flip it with our cute little cow on there. Okay, here we go. Here's more moms or wows. Let's see, which one's this one? This is gonna be a wow. Wow, did you hear I miss you? Or let's see, oh, this is a mom. Happy birthday to you with a cute little shaker on the front. Happy birthday to you, mom. Lunch on me. I love it. Here's a cute one. Oh, this is a mom fold it. Look how cute that is. Open it up. Happy Mother's Day. And this is a wow. I love this. Double duty. Isn't this just amazing? Wow, congrats. Look at those holographic stars. I love that. So fun. Now, rounded squares. I know you're thinking, rounded squares, how boring. No, 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 no. Let me tell you. How cute is it to make a cute little rounded card like that or like this? I'm so sorry, a gift for you. Look at that cute little guy. Oh, look at this one. Ooh, our mom background embossing folder. Love it. With our cute little Easter chick. Kisses and Easter wishes. I love it. So cute. That's eggs for critters on the front there. Ooh, or you could do Happy St. Patty's Day. See, look at that. Rounded corners, you guys. Rounded corners. Look at this one. Absolutely gorgeous. Rounded squares. Look at that. Love. You can make it all a shaker if you wanted to. So fun. And look at how fun this cute one is with our gnomies. I love it. And you know what? It's just rounded squares. So simple, but so needed. And yes, now we finally have them. I'm so glad. Now, club members, I know you know the deal. 15 to 20% off the entire website. But did you know on our release day, the 1st, the 7th, the 15th, the 20th, and the 25th of each month, and let me tell you a little hint, usually the night before, we release brand new items, and usually most of them for the first 24 hours or until sold out are on flash sale. What does that mean? That means as long as that item is in stock and it's the first 24 hours it's on the website, many items, they're always brand new items, are on our website at a flash sale price. And then club members get their club discount on top of that flash sale price. Double discounts. And club points, and they get all the awesome stuff. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and go check it out because you know what? You're gonna love our club. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.